Coming up, fully hands-on, Tiny House Summer Camp 6. Also check out some videos we have from the Jamaica Cottage Shop and Movable Roots, tiny house builders from Florida. Hey, what's up, Deek? RelaxShacks.com. Here in the Fuller Craft Museum. I'm going to show you an exhibit that's been going on for a while and is running now through September 16th, called Fortitude the Art of Play, featuring exhibits, some builds, and reuse by myself, Palo Coleman, and Felipe Ortiz. This is also another game, a medieval game I was told that Palo put together for people to play down here at the Fuller Craft. And it's almost like vertical labyrinth. You control these strings right here to raise this ball, this ring, excuse me. We have another video of this on RelaxShacks.com, and try to avoid the holes and obstacles. If you don't, the ball falls through right back to the beginning. Palo Coleman, I'll put his information in the description if you want one of these built. Actually, after I saw these, I had him commission, had him build 2 of these for my Vermont summer camp coming up. This here, using a variety of scraps, hubcaps, clutch plates, a juicer for an iris. Scrap wood is a giant, almost indoor treehouse-like edifice. Like I said, made with junk, just for fun, to add some color and funk to this room. It's about, I think, 15 or 16 feet tall, like some giant tiki idol in the Fuller. And all around they have a bunch of cool games for kids to play. This is actually a rare moment when I get to film this, because earlier, like 10 minutes ago, there were a ton of kids playing in here. So I'm kind of trying to find my little parcel of space to shoot this when it's not so noisy. It is a lot of fun in here, so be sure to check it out. Highbrow art for the adults. I won't call it lowbrow, but whimsical art and hands-on stuff for the kids as well. So one of the first things you can notice, and it's up for raffle to benefit the arts and the museum here, is this micro cabin. Could be a greenhouse, could be a backyard shed, a painting studio with a Tuftex polycarbonate front. Kind of modern rustic thing that we built as part of a workshop. So the reverse effect of this is kind of cool. You can put some plants or trinkets here, and when it lights up at night it looks great. Some salvage windows. Little art piece I did, not part of the raffle. Another salvage window, some trim that was part of the auditorium here. Some old yellow pine, cedar. They got some cool little lighting in here, like kind of, you know, LED lights. You can see them hidden there. And the cabin overall, I believe, is about 8 feet long by 6 feet wide, with a nice tongue and groove beadboard finish. Built it in 2 days. It was kind of fun. I don't know if you guys can see me here with the lighting. Maybe that's my gift to you. And again, it's for a good cause. So stopping by fullercraft.org, and you might be the proud owner of this micro cabin here. Let me show you something else here that's kind of fun. Tic-tac-toe stumps. Kind of unusual. Another Palo Coleman build. Shot of the cabin with the door propped open from here. This is like a skee ball thing, which you saw a second ago, just to show you an overview of it. Simply built with plywood and a bunch of balls made on a lathe. The object being to get them into those divots there. Should have brought my other camera because this one has that weird fisheye effect, so I apologize for that. I just wanted to give you the general gist of what's going on here. Check it out on exhibit through September 16th. And the raffle goes on for quite some time. Fullercraft.org for more information. Again, behind me, Felipe Ortiz's rather amazing mural. Information on him in the description below as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you later.